to eliminate this catastrophe. Good morning. We're on our way to Brookfield. Pipes in the basement have duct tape on them, the customer said. Oh. Things just aren't right, so we'll go make them right.
Yeah, there was a leak when I went to turn the washer on, so it might be leftover water from that.
Okay.
So I'm hoping. That was only like maybe last Thursday or Friday.
Okay. I think it would have dried up by now. We will be coming back on Thursday to repipe this, but I'm going to give them a temporary solution until then, so they can use their water softener and laundry. Murphy's Law is the fitting you need is always at the bottom of the bin. Putting in a temporary drain solution until we can come back and reconfigure this whole thing. But this way they'll be able to use their laundry in the meantime. I'm gonna eliminate this catastrophe. Who can tell me why the primer is purple?
You told me last time. Is this when they're inspecting, they know it's there?
Yep.
I remember this stuff. I'm learning.
Apprenticeship will be done in no time. And it'll be documented on video.
There you go.
Plug the washing machine drain in there. Water's nice and dry back here, so they can. I think I found the leak there.
Oh. Are those like you're just able to replace that, or is it?
Yeah, it's just a matter of tightening it. I could feel it with my hand. It was loose, so I'll tighten it up. That's that for now.
We'll be back.
We'll come back and repipe it all correctly. But in the meantime, they can use their laundry and their water softener, and everything will be all right. The 10 to 12 will be perfect for them.
Okay.
This material in the bottom that allows air to flow in, but not flame to come out. And each manufacturer does it slightly differently. But basically, it allows the air to suck into the unit, but in the event that it sucked fumes, like if you had a gas can in the basement, which you never should have, or paint thinner or something like that, and it spilled and the fumes got into the area where there's combustion occurring, and it were to explode essentially or puff, the flame wouldn't shoot out the bottom and light the liquid on the floor on fire. It only allows the air to be sucked in. It doesn't allow flames to push out of it. In this case, the water tank itself is leaking and it got that membrane wet. So because it's wet, it doesn't allow air to flow into the unit. There's really nothing that can be done here other than to replace the water heater. The water heater, needs to be replaced.
Because you got the part, but if you put it in, it's just gonna get damaged.
It's just gonna get damaged. It's not gonna accomplish what we need to accomplish here. So what I'm gonna do for the customer is let this water heater get hot while I'm here and make sure nothing's gonna happen to this. And I'll let the tank get hot so they have a tank full of hot water. They can take a shower if need be, or wash their hands, or do some dishes or whatever. And then we'll have to replace the water heater.